आप ना बहुत क्यूट हो तो आई लव यू।
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या करे।
What's up everybody, welcome back to Monvlogs. So right now we are here in the university with my friends Dawood Alai over here
Hi guys.
and Samir Malik over
Hi
here.
guys, how are you?
So okay guys, basically we are trying to do some prank video over here in university, but it seems that people over here are not frank enough,
They are not interested.
Yeah, they feel shy of camera,
Don't feel
right?
shy.
Right.
So it's okay, but we have one more plan.
Okay.
We are going to do a challenge prank, 3 of us.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
You'll do it or not?
We will do.
And what about you, man? So okay guys, right now we are going to do a game challenge prank. First of all we will play a game, he and me. If he win,
I'm ready.
If he win, he can tell me to do anything, whatever he like. Maybe
Yes.
he will tell me to go and talk to
Yes
girls.
guys, I will
and-
win.
You will win.
yes.
What for? How do you know, man?
I know.
Over confidence.
And
Yeah,
if
See, man.
yeah, and if I win, I have to tell him to do whatever I like. Maybe I will tell to
Just
remove
Your
his
pant.
pant in public place, right? So okay guys, without wasting your time, let's dive right into it. Where's the coin, man? I have no coin. Do you have a coin? Do you have a coin, bro?
I will check.
Let's check your wallet, man.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, yeah, I have. Wait, let's choose one, right?
Head.
You choose head, right?
Yes.
You lose, man.
Oh.
There is a lot of girls over there, they are dancing. You see them or not?
Yeah.
So what you have to do, bro, you have to go there and dance.
Okay.
You'll do it now?
I will do.
Come on, just do it. He did it. Come
Yeah,
on,
right.
man, you did it. So now it's
Now it's
our
my
turn. You and me, bro. You and me.
Yes.
Are you ready, man?
Yes, I'm
Come on,
ready.
let's play. Just hold like this. Dawood, just hold the camera, man. Just hold the camera like this. Okay. So we'll play rock, paper, scissors, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bro, I just win the game, so actually you have to do it there, So, Dawood, what is your idea? What should we do to him? What should he do?
वो जाएगा रोड में
हाँ, हाँ।
तो उधर वहाँ पे हमें मतलब कुछ देर के लिए बैठेगा
हाँ,
एज अ क्रेजी मैन। आसमा
Stitch.
उधर फोन भी है जरा कर स्टार्ट लिखा अच्छा था हाथ रख
बस करो बस
गरीब ही है ना?
कितना चैलेंज पब्लिक बंद कर अभी नहीं है कुछ
कर यार।
ऐसे बैठने का फायदा
नो काट मगर
गाड़ी के नीचे
Guys, as you could see that both of these guys have completed their task, have completed their challenge. So now it's my turn. So okay, bro, actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to cross this road from one side to another side with out my clothes. I mean, I will remove out this t-shirt and then I will walk. So okay, guys, let's do it.
I did it. एक्सक्यूज मी,
हाँ जी।
आप मेरे साथ बात कर सकते हो 1 मिनट?
हाँ जी, बोलो।
मैं ना आपको देख के यहाँ से आपको फोकस कर रहा था, तो आप ना बहुत क्यूट हो तो आई लव यू।
Sorry, I have a boyfriend. So I don't have time.
Oh no, please. I will die. I will give my life.
तो मर जाओ ना.
Please.
नहीं.
Come.
I have a boyfriend. मैं बोला ना.
आप देखो यहाँ से गाड़ी आ रही है देखो. I will die.
वापस आओ. वापस आओ. ठीक
No,
है
no.
ठीक है. ओके ठीक है ठीक है.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे, तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल.
ये कुछ कर रहा हूँ.
Okay guys, that's all about today's video, and if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. So before we close this camera, I just want to tell you guys that please make sure to follow him in Instagram, Samir Malik, and Dawud Alai in TikTok. Right? Yeah. He make a lot of videos in TikTok as a coolest
Yeah,
STEM
right,
boy.
boy.
Alright.
दिल न फिर कुछ मांगे जाना तुम
काफी
Hakating Shao ni di beat can pay about kwa man le prang upon the university. Yes or no, bro?
Yes.
Okay, bro, we will do it, right?
Yeah, right.
And-
अब आएगा ना मजा.
How many girls are you going to propose today?
About 55 or 66.
No, man, that's too much. At least two girls.
Two girls.
for you. Okay.
Okay.
You'll get it, man. Come on.
Right.